That remind me of recess, tag, it, double dutch, and penny candy.
Ooh, this is me. This is who I am.
Hey my faves, this is not just a review challenge slash mukbang of the pickles and the cotton candy, but this is also a collaboration with Perrrfect Queen. So when you guys are done here, make sure you go ahead and head over to her channel, watch her, check her out. You won't be sorry, I promise. You ready to get into the video? Let's go. Hey guys, this is your girl, Perrrfect Queen, and I have a collaboration video with my friend, Simply K.Simone. Guys, when you finish this video with her, come and check out my video because I am doing exact same thing that she's doing, but we don't know how many we're gonna eat or if this is even a challenge. So I think the challenge for most, for you guys, is just watch if you can eat gross thing together, because this is a good and this is a gross. So when you check out her video, come to my video and see how much we eat. Bye. Hey y'all, it's your girl Simply K.Simone, and I am back with another video for who? For you. All right, y'all. If you can see, y'all already know what a TI is. Y'all ain't been sleeping on a rock. All right, oh, my nose itching. Excuse me. But before we get into that, you guys, before we get started, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications and make sure they what? I heard somebody in the back ringing, ringing, ringing. So you'll know each and every time your girl posts a video, have a premiere, or I go live. So I was watching Bloveslife one day, and she was trying this with Walter and Darius. Shout out to both of them. They are funny as heck. And I guess she got a message from Becky Eats Mukbang. Hopefully I got that right. To try this. So like I said, whether you want to call it a challenge or reviewing it or trying it, I wanted to, because if you a Midwest girl, anyway, in Illinois, Chicago, or whatever, when you was growing up, you know you had some pickles and some Kool-Aid, or some pickles and a peppermint stuck in the middle. So this kind of reminded me of that old school feel, and I'm like, well, let me try it. Y'all want to try it? So faves, we're gonna try it today and see what it do. Now I got some water. So I got me some Charms fluffy stuffed cotton candy, and we got us some kosher dill pickles, and we're gonna attempt to wrap them first, y'all. So I probably should have opened this before. Let's see, what color is this? Oh, it's like a rainbow color. That's pretty. I probably didn't have to disrespect that bag like that, but ooh, yeah, I see it. That's like the colors. It smells good. Now, I was smart enough to pre-open these. Now, I like my pickles cold, so hopefully that don't mess nothing up. Oh, they the little ones. Ooh. Okay, we still make a do one today. Okay, now I said if they was gonna name this challenge, they should call it the Prego Special. Cause I know it had to have been a couple of pregnant people that was like, child, let me try it, sugar. Cause honey, I'm the you got this salty and this sweet. And we gonna pack it on, sugars. We gonna pack it on, sugar. Okay. Should we make them one at a time, y'all? Okay. Or at least make two. Mmm. Mmm. That cotton candy is good. Now, I done seen a few people do this. You know who cracked me up? Is Corey Ball. Corey Ball did this. And I was like, oh my God, Corey is making this look too good. Way too good. So, y'all can also slightly blame Corey for this too. I don't think I'm supposed to be eating so much of it before I taste it. But look at my hands. Okay, that is just pure ugliness. Okay. Yeah, so. Oh, I should have got a thumbnail. Hold on, y'all. The egg all broke. Look at y'all. Look. See? Ain't no way we gonna save this. Ding! Alright, y'all. This is the one time I'ma gladly. First bite. Oh, God. Wait. Grace. Mmm. Child. I agree, y'all. That reminds me of Recess, Tag, It, Double Dutch, and Penny Candy. Comment below, what was your favorite old school candy? Remind me of Annihilators, Penny, strawberry cookies. Becky girl, when you get this popping, call me. We got you, Chug. Girl. Hold on, I was a little disrespectful to this one. We gotta put some more on here. See? Nose running. See, y'all? I like this. That's a shame. Somehow, I'm breaking my faithful faves and Shugs. Y'all knew I would. Child. I don't need that. I'm not a cotton candy fan, nor am I a big pickle eater. But that combo together, shook. Man. We're gonna call that labor and delivery delight. But Becky eats Mukbang. And also Bloveslife. Man, this is actually really tasty. Look how that just turned into pure sugar. Girl, I'm bouncing off the wall, getting on everybody in there today. So if I catch a number and I call you like I'm crazy, you don't know why. We're not gonna blame B-Love. We just gonna blame Corey. I see him eating it. Made me want to really eat it. Oh, and I'm gonna leave their description box below. And also, let's show a little clips of them doing it. Both Becky and B-Love. Roll it. A little mini viral for the last couple of days. Today we're gonna actually be trying cotton candy pickles. We made them ourselves. So yeah, if these taste good, we'll do it again and we will show you guys how we make them. I actually do confectionery, so I actually do make all different kinds of flavored cotton candies and different candy things. So I will be making my cotton candy from scratch. So we're going to go ahead and present you guys with our cotton candy pickles. Sorry. With our cotton candy pickles in 3, 2, 1, bam! All right, guys, so this is my cotton candy pickle. And my daughter's is kind of deformed.
Yeah,
Don't
I suck at wrapping these.
Don't hate on her.
Pickles. There's you excited?
Very much so.
So we're gonna do cotton candy pickles. I got this idea from Eat Becky Mukbang. So she did this with her daughter, and she asked me to do it. Actually, she sent me a DM about it, and I thought that was really cool and interesting. And so I think I want to do it. So I said, yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Wait.
So
First of all, what are the reviews for this again? What is going on?
So again, guys, this was pretty good. I liked it. I did. I can feel sugar now loading. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your bell notifications and making sure they're ringing. If you like this video, go ahead and thumbs it up. And if you didn't, just keep on going. Just kidding, guys. If you didn't, just leave me a comment. Let me know things that we can possibly do better, right? So until next time, guys, peace and blessings. I love you. I love you, baby. I love you. I do. Hey, and it's more than you ever know. You guys so much for watching. Again, check the description box below. Have an amazing week. Peace.